guys, welcome back to the vlog. Welcome to the vlog. I don't even know how to start this. I don't even know how to intro this. So basically, Hayden and I went out of town for Thanksgiving, and I shot video of it. I just didn't really talk during it, so it's not really like a vlog. It's more of like a home video. And I did, like, it's not time for my annual Victoria Disappears time of the month. It's not, I promise you. I did shoot a video before it. I just didn't like it, so I didn't put it up. So that's why you guys didn't get a video before, and I'm super sorry about that. It's literally uploaded onto YouTube, and it like formatted and everything, and I like previewed it before I like basically published it. Yeah. And I didn't like it. I hated it. I hated the way it looked. I hated the lighting. It was a boring vlog, if I'm being honest. The only updates that were in it were like my hair changed, my nails changed, and that was really it. There was a lot of me ranting about things that did not need to be said and stuff like that, and like a little mini date. Like, if you guys really want to see it, like, leave a comment down below. Like, it's on my YouTube. It's not hard to just make it public, but I really don't think you guys are missing out on anything. So yeah, I just wanted to pop in and say hello, welcome to the vlog, and just kind of like intro this basically like video with music thing. I will be back on my grind, but please forgive me if December is just a bit lacking. December is just, it's a lot for both like me and like everything going on, not just Christmas, because like it's Hayden's birthday month, it's my birthday month, of course there's Christmas going on, and like with Hayden's new job now, like he has like a decent amount of days off as well. And honestly, like when we took Thanksgiving break off, I just sat around and did nothing, and it was amazing. It was so nice to just like exist, I guess. So yeah, like please forgive me. Like, I have things that I want to do videos on. I have stuff that I want to show you guys, but like if I don't, just know like it's my birthday month, y'all. And I may be a little MIA until January, but yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know it's not a lot, it's not very long, but please leave a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in my new video. Oh, and if you're wondering why the video looks so great, it's because I got my new iPhone, and the cinematic is like, it's like chef's kiss. Like, honestly, every other iPhone before this one, if people were telling you to get it because of something amazing on it, nothing compared to this new 13 Pro. The camera on this phone is just ridiculous. Like, it is worth the money, so highly recommend. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next vlog. They're open.
They're open.
Yeah, where are we starting? Dining, bedroom,
Where do you want to start?
There's living room, and then what's in the middle there?
Furniture, road, looks.
Where are we starting?
Dining.
I had to switch.
It's
Okay.
dining and youth bedroom.
Okay, so we're starting here. Then we'll work our way down because they're all connected. Sweet. Open the door, honey bunny.
I've been to the furniture road before, right?
Yeah. It's very massive. I haven't like seen a single person to do it. Oh, this one's cute. Sit down. How's it feel? Really? Yeah, I could see that.
It feels too like.
Yeah. Oh, I like this one. This one's wood. Check that one out. Is it?
Oh, that's real.
That's real.
wood expert.
Okay. I'm glad I didn't say that. He didn't push me on this beanbag, so that's why I'm down here. That's why that last clip was at an angle. Let me see if I can like flip it around to show you guys what he's doing. He's laying on the bed. I'm not whispering about anything, man. That makes sense. I like this bed set. It's like a dark wood. It's not really like picking up on camera, but like, oh, that hurts. But yeah, that's nice. What do you think?
I'm shaking myself.
Yeah, I figured. That one's cute too. It's a nice little set. What are you doing? No. You pushed me on a beanbag. Ooh, this wood set is nice too. And let's make cinematic video. Okay, now run like you're in reenacting. No, that's not. No, that was great. I'm struggling.
You have poor balance.
Whatever.
Maybe if you were in more better shape.
That's very weird to say.
On the inner thighs, like right in this area, you'd be able to hold yourself up.
I like this table.
That reminds me of you.
Sir.
Yeah, that's on camera now.
Oh, they have a bar too. That's so cute.
That's not gonna be hard to put together at all. Look at the
Huh?
Look at the line.
Where is it? Oh. Yeah.
We can barely put the R's together where it's just straight down.
Yeah. It's like they want you to like go in and then like curve. No. Wait, hold on. Do they want us to pay $159 or is it $15.99? Because it better be $15.99.
This is $49.
Oh, that's not bad then.
Account for like $200.
Yeah, that's not bad then. I really hope that's $15 though, because it's real broken.
Yeah.
Do you not see that? No, the drawer, babe. Yeah, and then look at that one, because they come together. Yeah, you get it now. Yeah, I know, but I'm ready to be disappointed. Let's see how it feels. I'd say it's all right. Yeah. It's like, it's okay. Over here. Let's go sit on this one, see what this one feels like. I'd say it's better. It's better than that one for sure. Yeah. Look at me and tell me how it feels.
Yep.
Yep. Is it better than the cloud couch? No, it's not for sure. Can I just leave you here? Because you seem happy in that chair. I'm just gonna go now. Yep. That's the vibe. Okay, bye. No. He's still in the chair.
How do you feel? Pretty chill. Is it? Do you feel like your head is like too far up, or like leave your head back? Yeah, see, it feels weird, don't it?
Yeah, now I keep waiting for that. Okay, never mind.
It looked like an outside chair.
that right though. The one up. You're enjoying this.
Hey, look, the picture is very nice.
Huh?
The picture is very nice.
Are you ready to get a snack?
Sure. Where do you want to go?
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares. 'Cause I can't give it all away if he won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around and trying to play it good. But it's nice to focus when I see him walking across the room. Let us know it's past now, but I won't get in the mood. I'm avoiding every mistletoe until I know it's true. That he thinks so next Christmas I'm not alone. Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares. 'Cause I can't give it all if he won't be here next year.
It's probably one of the knobs.
Well, yeah, it is not, but like.
Oh, don't hurt yourself. Yeah, they look done. Just so everyone understands, this vlog may make no sense, but everyone is still obligated to watch it.